Okay, here's a quick look at the emini S&P for Thursday, September the 2nd, 2010. Well, we were expecting follow through higher, and we got it. It did not quite pull back to that support area around 74. Overnight, it only reached 76.50. These, of course, are the profiles. This is today's, yesterday, and this is what occurred overnight. So we're looking around the 74 area for support. As you can see, the market only came to 76.50 overnight. It did exceed yesterday's high, so continuing to look bullish. Opening here in the regular trading hours, had a bit of a dip, not much, and then basically was bought up for the rest of the day. Pretty light volume today, though, on this rally, so somewhat suspect there, although the kind of structure that we've got here is looking pretty bullish. So we're actually expecting an area in around 86, 87 as support going forward to tomorrow, still with a preference to the long side. Here's our software here today. You can see that we ended up with quite a few sell. We never did get down. This area down in here, this light green area, is what we call a good buying zone. And we're actually looking for a rejection of price in this area. We had it three times here, but we never actually got our signal to go ahead and get long, even though we did have a touch of red in here early in the day. But then, of course, it was green, and then just basically neutral for most of the rest of the day. So we had a few short trades in here. None of these were taken, except for one of them, which was based on our 10-minute, actually got us into a short trade right in here, which went sideways for a bit, but then it went down onto the expected support area down in here. When the market turned around and went higher, we had a couple of indications here to get long, although the market didn't pull back to it. So that's really what we're looking forward to as far as tomorrow goes, to try and get into a long trade in around the 86 to 87 area. And so that's what we're looking at tomorrow. We still think the market can go higher. We are a little bit suspect, though, because of the lack of volume today, but then again, that's the day before the news of the employment situation that will be released tomorrow. So this will be an important thing and could send the market obviously down into this support zone that I just mentioned, which is down in around the 82, 83 area right in here. So this would be the next area of support. If this can't hold here, then we'd look for support in around here. Might get a reaction down there based on the news about the employment situation tomorrow morning. If it gets much below that, though, not that it would turn our intraday bias to down, but it would certainly be on the daytime frame quite a bearish development. So if it were to hold below 79, that would we would want to go ahead and have a preference more to the short side, but just in the daytime frame. So not a lot to work from here today. Any questions or comments, please give us send us an email or give us a phone call. Phone numbers on the website. So just a quick video today. Still looking for upward movement with that pullback. Possibly if the news has that kind of reaction. So these various short trades that we took here today were, we didn't take any of them except for that one that I mentioned here, because it was actually based on our 10-minute chart, so it doesn't actually show up here. Other than that, none of these short trades were taken. As you can see, we did not have a red filter all day, and of course when we're in an intraday up auction, we don't take short trades unless we're with the filter. So actually had no trade here today other than that one short trade, because it was based on the 10 minutes. So anyway, that's a look at the market for today. Thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.